To fetch the data from table level, either we use this SE16N, or if you want to join multiple table and then you want to get the output, then we can use this. Like, is a simple way. Display mode of the BOM CS03. Material is this, plant is 1000, bond usage is 1. Press enter key. These are the components which are required to make this particular finished material. The header level, the BOM status. Press F1 key, help will be there. If I click on technical information option is there. It will show you the tables which are used to store this information, whatever is entered in this particular field, which is a BOM status. The table category it is showing as a structure. The field name is this. If I enter the same table name, let me open another session. /show SE16N. Enter. So if you enter the same table name which was specified there, it is giving me the error message that the category is not correct. It should be the direct table name. Then only it will show you the details. Since it is a structure, if I double click on this field name, kind of information dictionary, display structure, that the BOM it is showing as the component this, and this is the type and the component type and all. So if you double click on it, okay, because I want the information of the table which is storing this BOM status. This pop-up will come. Here you will get further details like data element and other technical information is related to this particular field. You check the table name this. So let me select this. Here I will enter this table name now. Press enter key, showing me the BOM status now. Okay. Technical name for this BOM status field is STLST. If you see here, component name is STLST. I'm getting the information for the table name, which is storing the information for the BOM status. If I click on execute, BOM status 1 means this, 2 and so on. That the material and the combination of the BOM status and other information you want. Now let's run that query, SQVI. Enter. We can generate a query here. Let me select this BOM query. Okay. Let me remove this. We create a new query with the name BOM query. Click on create. It'll ask you for like the title which you want to give. So I will be entering this as my title. It is asking you for the data source, whether it is a table or multiple tables need to be joined, or is it a logical database, or selecting only table, not a table join, because I am not joining two tables. I am directly entering my table name. So I can enter the table name and can select the layout, continue. This is the table field. These are the different fields which are present in this particular table, which we have specified, where the BOM status is there, these extra information is there. I want to display a BOM status in my query. Okay. Rest all information I'm not selecting, or we can suppose say indicator for distribution lock is there or not. Any random value I'm selecting. Click on save, the query will be saved. Click on execute. So it will give the selection criteria. This is the query. So if I execute it and continue, then you can get the, okay. So here you can see the BOM status, it is showing me as 1, 2, and this T is that second field which I have selected me as X. This is the way how you fetch the information and create a query. Present layout mode, this kind of structure will come. Basic mode, if we select, this is the kind of structure you will get, and it is much easier. If you want all the fields to be displayed, select this, all will be added. The T code is SQV1, enter. This screen will come. Here you will enter the name of the query, then click on create. Okay. Okay, it's created. Let me delete this and we can use the same. You click on create. Okay, first you give the name of your query, then click on create. Again, I'm entering the scene. So let me select table join because I want to join multiple tables. Then you will select table join. And then here I can select the layout mode and then continue. I click on insert table. Because I am saying I want to join multiple tables, so I can specify the table name here. Let me enter another table, MAST, which is for the BOM material to a BOM link. And another table is STKO, which is for the BOM header. These tables are linked using the material number as a primary key, MARA and MAST table, and MAST table is linked with STKO table with the other keys. Go back. These are the three tables which we have linked. If you click on this, you can see the all list of fields which are present. I can select whatever fields I want to display. So let me select the material number. Let me select material category. Whatever we select will become green. Okay. So material group packaging. From the next table, from material to BOM link, I can select, say, BOM usage. Even the plant I'm selecting. And from BOM header table, I am selecting, say, BOM status. And the technical name is this. And I'm selecting plant where BOM or alternative variant created and the change number. Okay. So these fields I have selected from these three tables and click on save. The query has been saved. Now we can execute this query. So click on execute. So fields which we have specified and you execute it. So it's out. Okay, my material is this. The status. This is the plant and other details. Let me go back. Basic mode. Other options also in the tabs like the sort sequence. There is sorting option is also there. We have selected that material number, this material group packaging material. Whatever we have selected here, like the material category and all, those things will be displayed in that initial string as a filter. Show you how many we have selected from this table. Whatever we have selected here from these different tables, like I have selected two fields from the material to BOM link. One is plant and another is BOM usage. And from the header level BOM table, I have selected the change number, BOM status, and the plant. So if I execute here as a output, let me go back, and here in this screen also you will get the same fields which we have selected, like the material number, material category, material group packaging, and explore other options you want as an output format. But default is a backlist here, spreadsheet or the word processing. So if I select, say, spreadsheet and execute it, and I'm selecting pivot table and Excel format I'm selecting, the output of the report is coming in the Excel sheet. SQVI Quickviewer queries which we have created. If I select say BOM query, if you want to make any changes in the existing query, then you can click on change and then it will open the query which we have created. These are the tables which we have specified as the selection field. What all fields will come in the selection screen. This is the list field output list. Whatever I am selecting here in the selection field as a selection criteria. So if I select one more valid from date I'm selecting, okay, and then you click on save and then click on execute. Here you can see this valid from date is coming now. Let me go back, and if I am removing it from here and then click on save and then click on execute, now you can see this valid from has been removed here. And if I am selecting this valid from date in the list field and not in the selection criteria, click on save and then click on execute. You can see in the selection screen it is not coming, but if I execute it, okay, it is giving me 100 days. So here you can see in the output screen you will get this valid from. What all fields you want in your selection screen and what all data you want to display as an output, that will come here. Both the things we are specifying here in the list field will be the fields which you want to display as an output, and in the selection field, what all fields you want to add as a selection criteria in the screen, and these are the technical names which are given to them. If I select say basic mode, then you can see this screen will come. Here we have other options like list field selection, what all fields we have selected, it will show you that. And the sort sequence is there, then selection field. If I want to add few more fields in this, then I can select from here the possible selection fields. And here in the data source, if you want to edit it again, we have selected table join here and you want to change. Then you can click on this change table. It will give you this screen again where we have the MARA table, MAST table, STKO table. This is the primary key, which is a material number, which is linking these two tables. You can see what all fields are used for the linking of MAST table, which is a material to BOM link and the BOM header level. Okay, so if you want, you can edit it further. Like if I want to add one more, then click on assign table and you can specify the table here that will be linked in this. Let's go back. So it is linked 3 table, and from each table I am selecting few fields to be displayed as an output and some data as a selection criteria in the selection screen. So that is possible using this.